Introducing the new Kidde smoke and carbon monoxide alarm with indoor air quality monitor, the first all-in-one smart home safety device to integrate smoke and carbon monoxide detection with indoor air quality monitoring. The alarm detects multiple airborne threats using a single Wi-Fi-enabled device, so you can be alerted of potential health and safety issues to help keep you and your family safer. The device also uses Kidde HomeSafe to connect to the Kidde app to play status updates and alerts at your fingertips. And it all starts with simple setup. Here, we'll walk you through the process of installing the app and setting up your alarm. Before you begin, it's important to note that this is a hardwired 120-volt AC alarm, which means it's powered by existing 120-volt wiring in your home. Inside the packaging, you'll find the alarm, quick start guide, user guide, alarm mounting bracket, and AC quick connector. You will need a flathead and Phillips head screwdriver to complete the installation.